Have you ever thought of living in a 55-plus community where you can have everything virtually taken care of for you and all you have to do is relax and enjoy the amenities?
Yeah, in this video, we're going to show you such a home in one of the premier communities here in Port Saint Lucie, which is in the Tradition area. We thank you for tuning in to our channel today. I'm Donald Nally, this is my wife Katie, and we are Florida licensed realtors. If you would just give us the first 2 minutes of this video, we're going to tell you a little bit about this community while we're driving into the community, and then we're going to jump right in to showing you this home. Here we are at PGA Village Verano, which is in the Tradition area of Port Saint Lucie. Now, PGA Village Verano is an all-ages community and not specifically designated as a 55-plus community. But we're going to be going into Cresswind, which is a community inside of PGA Village. Cresswind at PGA Verano is their specific 55-plus community. Both villages share the same clubhouse and amenities. Cresswind also has a separate pool just for that area. Now we're going to be showing you a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a den/office, 3-car garage, 1838 square living foot. But first we have to get through the gate here, so we'll see you when we get over on the other side.
Here we are at Cresswind of PGA Verano. It's a beautiful new community here in the Tradition area of Port Saint Lucie, Florida. The landscaping is just lovely. There's lots of amenities that go with this community. Bocce ball, pickleball, indoor pool, outdoor pool. Internet is included, a dog park, a fitness center, a business center. Lots of amenities here.
Yes, it's a very nice community. Well-built homes, barrel tiles on the roof, and here we are at our stop.
Here we are at 9252 Southwest Miracoli Way, and we're going to take a look at the front of the home right now. One of the great features of this home is that the owners have invested in really beautiful landscaping in the front here. And one of the upgrades that the owners have made is this wainscoting of stonework on the outside. You might notice that these lanterns are just a unique feature. And also the almost 8-foot doorway at the front entrance here. This is the Isabella model home. And you can see right from the front door a view straight out to the lake. And in the main area of the home, we have 11-foot ceilings. Behind us, you'll see the kitchen area, which is 13 feet by 11 feet. And as we go into the kitchen area, you'll see the open kitchen counter to living room, beautiful quartz countertops, and beautiful wide open sink here. And here at the kitchen sink, you'll notice, of course, you have this retractable spout, but you also have a dispenser here for soap. And right here is how you would turn on your electric disposal. So these are nice features to have. And a beautiful stainless steel sink. You've got a package of GE profile appliances here. And if you notice, not only do you have the 42-inch cabinets, but you have lighting above, which can be used at night to just create a peaceful environment here, and a great backsplash. Plenty of storage space here for all your pots and pans and dishes. This is a monogram stove top. It's all touch control. everything really that you'd like to have in your kitchen. And here we are in the kitchen dining area, and it has a beautiful view of the lake outside. And if you look at the flooring here, you'll see that this is engineered hardwood flooring throughout the home, except the bedrooms. Now here we have the living area, and this living area measures 14 by 20 feet. And if we take a look over here at the dining room, you'll see that the owners upgraded the dining room area with wallpaper. It's a soft, welcoming wallpaper that would go with any furniture style, really. And a tray ceiling. Again, a tray ceiling here in the living area, very high ceilings. Okay, now we're going into the master bedroom, and the master bedroom measures 17 feet by 12. And I want to point out to you an additional upgrade that the owners made here, which is these window treatments. They're a soft window treatment. It allows light in, but it also gives you a buffer into the room. Very lovely. It's also got a tray ceiling above and very high ceilings, as you can see. Okay, master closets with wooden shelving. A nice upgrade also. Private toilet area. Nice feature. Beautiful glassed-in shower. One sink area and another sink area with plenty of counter space, plenty of storage space, and a soaking tub. So here we are, we're going to go into the den office area. And you can see there's beautiful French doors. Now this space measures 17 feet long by 11 feet wide. And you can see it's just a great space, plenty big enough for a good office. And or a den or a guest space. And again, the upgrades here are these beautiful window treatments that let in diffuse light or give you complete privacy, either way, but they're a nice upgrade. And over here we have the second full bathroom. Again, the granite counter and tub shower combo with beautiful ceramic walls going all the way to the ceiling. That's an exceptional addition. Okay. And here is bedroom number 2. Again, with upgraded wood shelving and a slider door. Nice carpeting and the upgraded window treatments. And this second bedroom measures 12 feet by 11 feet. And now I'm going to take you to the laundry area. Okay, over here you see, again, we have GE profile appliances. Okay, washer dryer. And the always helpful sink. Nicely finished sink. No, but you have plenty of nice cabinet space above for storing all your laundry necessities. And out here you can see this beautiful 3-car garage, which has a nicely finished and painted floor and plenty of storage room on the side here above. The house was built in 2022, 2 years young. It's only been lightly lived in, barely lived in. And so this home has 1,838 square living feet. And we're going to take you outside now. Okay, now we're going outside, and you see this is a triple slider door with impact glass. The whole house has impact glass, another upgrade. Okay, and we're going outside. And as you can see, again, we have pavers here in the oversized lanai, which gives you great space here to have a good-sized dining table and plenty of outside seating, whether in the shade or a little bit in the sun. We've got a lot of privacy here and the beautiful view overlooking the lake. Now, the owners upgraded this property by adding these palm trees here and the fencing. And so you can see how peaceful this would be to relax in the afternoon or in the morning, any time of the day. Easy upkeep, but plenty of relaxation. And you'll notice the beautiful fan overhead, the table area. Plenty of space to be out of the sun and enjoying a good meal here. You could make this your home. If you're interested in this home or any of the other homes in this area, please let us know. Thank you so much for coming along with us on this tour of 9252 Southwest Miracoli Way here in Cresswind at PGA Verano.
Yes, and if you found anything helpful in this video, feel free to share it with others, because this home might not be for you, but it may be for one of your friends, one of your neighbors. But also do us a favor. Could you please subscribe, like, ring that bell, and if you need any information about this home, our contact information is in the comment section below. So again, we thank you for watching, and this is Living on Florida's Treasure Coast. Bye.